Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southwestern Monroe County in
doubleheader.
Alabama, southeastern Clark County in southwestern Alabama until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Malcolm, or 18 miles south of Jackson, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Frisco City, Excel, Megragel, and Uriah. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin, Clark, and Monroe. The National Weather Service
Monroe is. Looks like that one is not in the listening area, so